The generic rose gold portable mini fridge is a versatile and stylish cooling solution designed to fit seamlessly into modern lifestyles. Measuring 4.7 x 3.3 by 9.8 inches. This compact unit utilizes advanced thermoelectric technology to provide both cooling and warming functions without the need for noisy compressors or harmful refrigerants. Its slender profile and elegant rose gold finish make it an ideal addition to a vanity desk, office cubicle, or bedside table where space is at a premium. This dual-use refrigerator is specifically engineered to cater to various needs, from preserving the potency of high-end skincare serums and cosmetics to keeping canned beverages at the perfect temperature. Because the generic rose gold portable mini fridge operates with whisper-quiet efficiency, it can be used in quiet environments like libraries or bedrooms without causing any distraction. The interior layout is optimized to hold vertical items securely, ensuring that your essential items remain organized and easily accessible at all times. Equipped for both indoor and outdoor utility, the device supports multiple power sources, making it a reliable companion for road trips or long commutes in the car. The lightweight construction allows for effortless transport, while the durable exterior protects the internal components during travel. Whether you are looking to enhance your beauty routine or keep a cold drink nearby during a busy workday, the generic rose gold portable mini fridge offers a blend of aesthetic appeal and practical performance for any setting. Pros: compact 4.7 x 3.3 by 9.8 inch size, heats and cools effectively. Stylish rose gold finish, perfect for skincare and cosmetics, ideal for office or car use. Highly portable design, versatile dual-use functionality. Cons: extremely small interior dimensions, limited storage for larger items, slow cooling and heating speeds, weak insulation without power, noticeable fan noise during operation, not for perishable food storage, condensation buildup inside unit, short power cord length, reduced efficiency in warm rooms. Features: portable cooler and warmer, thermoelectric mini fridge, rose gold finish, dual use functionality, fits skincare and cosmetics, ideal for office use, compatible with cars. The generic rose gold portable mini fridge is a versatile and stylish cooling solution designed to fit seamlessly into modern lifestyles. Measuring 4.7 x 3.3 by 9.8 inches. This compact unit utilizes advanced thermoelectric technology to provide both cooling and warming functions without the need for noisy compressors or harmful refrigerants. Its slender profile and elegant rose gold finish make it an ideal addition to a vanity desk, office cubicle, or bedside table where space is at a premium. This compact 4.7 x 3.3 by 9.8 inch rose gold mini fridge is a stylish and highly portable choice for cooling or heating skincare, cosmetics, and beverages in offices or cars. Yet its extremely small interior dimensions and limited storage capacity make it unsuitable for larger items or perishable food. While it offers versatile dual-use functionality and effective temperature control, users should be prepared for slow cooling speeds, noticeable fan noise, and potential condensation buildup, along with reduced efficiency in warm environments and a relatively short power cord.